咦，點解冇咗個辣椒油嘅？幾咁奇怪㗎？你好嘛, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, then you know that I absolutely love chili oil. And the chili oil that was filmed in my previous episode is amazing in its own right, but that is really just the starting point. So today, we're going to take that to the next level. Now, don't be intimidated by the amount of spices you might need. The process is actually really simple. First off, you'll need a glass that you know is heat proof. And this is about 3 cups. We're going to be using 2 cups of oil and the rest will be for the spices. Now, alternatively, if you're not sure or not confident that your glass is heat proof, you can also add the spices into the pot of oil and let that cool and then add it into your jar afterwards. Frying pan. 2 star anise. 1/4 teaspoon cloves. 1 teaspoon sichuan peppercorn, 1 stick cinnamon, 4 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, medium heat. Toast the spices for a couple of minutes. Set aside. Add half a cup of gochugaru or Korean pepper powder into your glass jar. One tablespoon white sesame seeds. These are toasted white sesame seeds. Now, if you can't find ones that are already toasted, of course, you can toast them in the pan with the other spices. 2 teaspoons Himalayan pink salt. Toasted spices. Man, that is not only beautiful with all the amazing colors and layers, but the aroma is already amazing. We haven't even heated up the oil yet. Oh, amazing. Four pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. Small piece of ginger, roughly chopped. 3 sticks of green onion, roughly chopped. Right, so in terms of oil, we're going to use a avocado oil today. And it is a neutral tasting oil, which will be ideal for this chili oil. Now, I have received questions on if you can use olive oil, and if you've been following my channel, you know I absolutely love olive oil, maybe a little bit too much, and you definitely can use olive oil. It might just have a very strong olive flavor, but that doesn't necessarily mean a bad thing. If that's what you'd like, then definitely is okay. Small saucepan, 2 cups avocado oil, onions, garlic, and ginger. Medium heat. When it starts to bubble, turn it down to medium-low and simmer for 15 minutes. Carefully strain the hot oil through a sieve. Add a splash of black rice vinegar to the jar. Carefully pour in the oil. Give it a stir and let it infuse for at least half a day. You can store it in the fridge for up to a few months, but I like to keep mine in the pantry since I use it quite often. You can now make this beautiful red oil with absolute confidence. Man, that smells really amazing. It's just so aromatic. You can really smell the spices that went into that, and it smells really smoky from that Korean pepper powder and the gochugaru. And I mean, it just looks beautiful. It's that beautiful ruby red color, unmistakable. And it really has infinite amount of applications. You can add this to whatever you want just to give it that smoky, a little bit of a spicy kick. Absolutely love it. I mean, that is so easy to put together. And I remember when I was a kid, I would love the chili oil you would get at the restaurants. And I mean, who knew it would be so easy just to put together at home. Absolutely incredible. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Plus, watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. You can check that out in that same link. And as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.